All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Interlodge Freemason Basketball League, sponsored by So-Called Ballers. Our first game for today, Brazen Pillars versus Angelina Boys. Let's get it on. We have 4 games today. In our 4-game headliner, they will start with Parungao, Dukusin, and Bacani. Stolen away by Mendoza. Mendoza to Castillo. Castillo on the run, waiting for his teammates. Miranda sizing his defender, goes baseline. Nope, not this time. And he gets his own rebound. Fronda taking away that ball. Early goings of the first half. Both teams wearing black and white, so it's gonna be confusing for our players as well. He lets it fly, no go, rebound taken away by Miranda. They are starting a little bit slow here. Yalong tries to hand it off and it will be a turnover. Well, miscommunication right there for Castillo and Yalong. So you are watching the Interlodge Basketball, sponsored by So-Called Ballers. Fronda. They swing it around. Both teams still hasn't warmed up here in the early goings of the first half. They tried to go baseline, and that was a beautiful play set up by Bacani down low. Angelina Boys coming up from a loss. Same thing with the Brazen Pillars, looking for their win today. So who will prevail? We shall all find out. Stolen away. On the attack is Parungao. Parungao dishes it off. They tap it back to Dukusin, missing that short step. Bacani, eye in the sky play, and he makes it, as that would be a 4-point to nothing. He misses for Mendoza. Yalong, short, air ball. They throw it back to Parungao, and Parungao with the easy deuce. Well, they need to have some safety in terms of defense because they will capitalize on those fast break opportunities. Yalong to Miranda. Miranda, nothing going on for him. Santos with a spin move. Santos all board for him, and he will get a foul against Fronda. 69 with his first personal foul, and he will be given some free throws. Remember, this is running time. So we need to synchronize with the time. Our time, official time, is 16 minutes. Let me just adjust it for you. Ako mag-adjust.
The first 3-point line or the black line? Gray or black?
You listen to the referees, huh? Listen to the referees.
Which line is it for the 3-pointer? The first one or the second? Sorry?
We're not sure.
And that was another point from the Angelina Boys. 8-0. Baseline throw in. Our official score is 8-0. And finally, a basket for Brazen Pillars. That is their first point in this first half for Miranda. Our official time is 15 minutes and 10.
Yan po sa back, 23. Very
Okay. On the attack, Miranda will challenge the defense. Short on that layup. Trying to escape the defense right there is Dukusin. Dukusin. Quick passing, give and go, but Santos is there to cover for it. Castillo on the run, and he will convert. 8-4. Lopez. No opening for him. Can't shake off his defender. Lopez from the corner. Lets it fly. Nothing for him. Castillo. Pedal on the middle. Point blank miss for Castillo. We are still 8-4. Dukusin looking for his options. Bacani. Charging his way. Mendoza will survey the floor. Ten to 4. Yalong flies. However, he wasn't able to convert. Dukusin all alone. Will he finish? Dukusin. Nothing going on for him. Pulls the trigger. Way off the mark. Substitution, you have the buzzer. Ramores in the ballgame as well as Aquino, or not yet, just Ramores. You have to signal to the referees before you go in, and then the buzzer. Our official score is 10-4, still in favor of the Angelina boys. Yalong at the middle to Castillo. Castillo from the elbow, all board. He gets his own miss. They tap it away, and Bacani will prevail. Outlet to Dukusin. Dukusin will use the board as his friend. Creativity in the air for Dukusin. 12-4. Launches it. Miranda. Back iron. Bagao. Baseball pass. But Yalong is there to stop the play. Behind the back dribbling. Ramores wide open. It bounces off. Still anybody's ball game at this point. Reyes crossover. Reyes. And good defensive stop there by Yalong. Substitution. Aquino in the ballgame for Castillo. Baseline throw in with 11 minutes approximately left here in the first half. Backdoor play, Bagao, and one. And that would be using his body to create some space for Bagao. And Bagao makes it to a 3-point play. Ramores will try to set the tone for his team. They are down by 11. Yalong at the middle. Down low. Miranda, short stab. Still nothing going on for Miranda, but they got their own miss. Yalong, no fear. Short as he releases it. Reyes, run and gun. It bounces off for Bote Kenneth. Bagao again. Decides to drop it off. Santos embracing that ball. Ramores directing traffic. Ramores can shake off his defender. Chaos down the floor. Almost taken away by the Husin. 9 minutes approximately here in the first half. I'm your host for today, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man, who will be calling the play-by-play and analysis for today's matchup, together with our committee from SoCal Ballers. Offensive rebounding here for the Angelina boys. Well, Angelina boys will get a foul. 2 free throws will be given for Bacani. Jaron and Mike Bacani doing some damage in the early goings of the first half. Let's see what Brazen Pillars will do here. They are still down by 11, 15-4. In the ball game is Fronda for Bagao. Oh, my favorite number for Fronda, number 69. Don't ask me why, but it's the number that most of us love. And he makes both free throws for Bacani, extends that lead to 12, 16-4. Brazen Pillars down by 12. Aquino drops it off, and foul will be called against the Husin. Free throws will be given. Ref, they will call a timeout, ref. Daw, Angelina boys. No more. Miranda makes his first free throw. You are watching. Yes, it's counted. And he makes both free throws for the Brazen Pillars, cutting the lead down. But quick conversion from Bacani. Our score is 18-5. Nothing backfired. Reyes, or rather that's Bote. Fronda on the loose. Challenged by the defense. Despite the man on his face, Fronda converting that 3-point basket. High-low play, Santos. Another turnover for Brazen Pillars. Parungao left all alone, and with the flush, Parungao will continue to dig a grave against the Brazen Pillars. 23-5. This has been a drought for the Brazen Pillars. Using the screen for Aquino. Good safety defense there by the Brazen Pillars. And miscommunication. Yalo managing the play, hands it off to Castillo. Castillo sees an opening, too strong, but offensive rebound put back by Miranda. But that was a quick conversion by the Angelina boys, just not allowing any room for the Brazen Pillars to make a comeback. Ramores sees himself wide open. Again, those baseball passes. Parungaw will capitalize. And that would be a 20-point lead now by the Angelina boys, 27-7. Brazen Pillars incomplete for today. Well, they're not playing with their leading scorer, Laurente and Reynolds. But Miranda can still be their leading scorer. And again, Parungaw, no mercy for him as he continues the punishment. 29-7. Castillo behind the back dribbling, showing us his smooth operating dribbling. Aquino being hounded by the defense by Bote. Ramores gets his man off the air. Castillo again. Short step for Castillo. Still a 20-point lead by the Angelina boys. Well, they gotta do something about the fast break attempts of the Angelina boys. Maybe some safety, especially controlling the boards. One-hander for Bacani. Battle for the loose ball. It will go to Bote. And foul will be called against Miranda. First personal foul on Miranda. Third personal foul for the Brazen Pillars. After one shot, sir. Mr. Lopez, after first free throw. No free throw, so you can enter the ball game. Substitution. Davis, we know you. Baseline. Corner. Throws it. Castillo will try to facilitate. Davis, fresh off the bench. Ramores, corner pocket. Again, those fast break opportunities for Angelina boys. Spins and turns for Lopez. Waits for his teammate, Reyes. Hands it off. Bacani, no go. From the elbow again, another short. But this time, Bacani, all business for him. 31-9. Davis to Miranda. Miranda. Stolen away. Miranda on the run. Miranda will go all the way. experimenting, so okay lang yun. Tsaka tambakan naman yan kasi hindi close fight. Kasi kung close fight, it's crucial. And then hindi tayo coordinated. Because we have... Okay, let's go. Our official score is 31-13. Angelina Boys cruising to more than a 20-point lead. Let's see if Grayson Pillars still has a fight for them. Mr. Island Boy is in the game. Axel De Villa. Short, Bacani, blocked by Aquino. And it seems that the Brazen Pillars are energized with the entrance of De Villa, no? Stolen away. On the run, transition offense. Too strong. No warm-up for him. Davis converts with the assist from De Villa. Bacani pedals back, fires it. Setting the play, wide open, Aquino gets his own miss, Aquino. Second chance points, but unable to convert. Ten seconds remaining.